Hello and welcome back to Tech Dive. Microsoft has made a significant advancement in its AI strategy, including a major terminal restructuring and the release of a powerful open-source model FI4 on Hugging Face. These developments mark a pivotal moment for the company, signaling an intensified focus on artificial intelligence as a cornerstone of future technologies. Let's break down the announcements made by CEO Satya Nadella and the leadership team, the formation of the new CoreAI platform and tools division, and the implications of releasing the FI4 model as open source. There's a lot to unpack, so let's dive in. A fundamental reorganization to focus on AI. For those familiar with Microsoft's trajectory, it's pivoting toward AI and has been evident for some time. However, in early 2025, Satya Nadella explicitly stated that we are entering the next innings of a massive platform shift. According to Nadella, the rapid development in AI will compress decades of technological advancements into just a few years, resulting in a revolutionary impact across every layer of the application stack. To prepare for this transformative era, Microsoft is revamping its organizational structure to unify its AI initiatives under a single umbrella. The new engineering group, CoreAI Platforms and Tools, combines critical components from across the company, including the developer division, the AI platform team, and the select teams from the office of the CTO. This merger allows Microsoft to create an end-to-end AI stack for an internal use and external customers. This integration focuses on building agentic applications, AI-powered apps equipped with memory, entitlements, and action space capabilities. These apps will leverage advanced AI models to perform sophisticated tasks more autonomously. Leadership and strategic vision. The newly formed CoreAI Platform and Tools Group is headed by Jay Perry, a former engineering chief for Meta, who joined Microsoft in October 2024. This is Perry's first significant move since joining, and his leadership will be supported by key figures like Eric Boyd, Jason Taylor, Julia Lewson, and Tim Bozarth. By bringing these teams together, Microsoft aims to foster a seamless feedback loop between its AI platform and dev tools. For example, the insights gained from GitHub Copilot, a popular AI-powered coding assistant, can now directly inform advancements in Microsoft's broader AI stack. Satya Nadella emphasized the central role of Azure in the foundational infrastructure for AI innovations. Microsoft envisions an AI-first app stack that will redefine software development by introducing new runtimes for orchestrating AI agents, revamped management layers, and next-gen user interfaces centered around conversational interactions. The launch of FI4, a game-changing open-source model. Microsoft has also made headlines by releasing FI4, a cutting-edge language model, as a fully open-source project on Hugging Face. While FI4 debuted in late 2024, it was initially accessible only through Microsoft's Azure AI Foundry platform. Now the model, including its weight, has been made available under the MIT license, a significant step in the open-source AI community. Why FI4 stands out. FI4 is a 14 billion parameter model, smaller than the 70B or 100B parameter giants like OpenAI's GPT-4 or Google's Palm. However, despite its relatively compact size, FI4 delivers impressive results, particularly in specialized areas such as advanced math and coding. Key features of FI4 include 1. Extensive training data. FI4 was trained on a dataset of 9.8 trillion tokens, a mix of curated organic data and synthetic data. 2. Advanced performance. The model excels in tasks like graduate-level STEM problems and coding challenges. Microsoft claims FI4 even outperforms GPT-4 variants in specific areas. 3. Math specialization. FI4 was designed with enhanced capabilities for solving step-by-step problems in mathematics, making it particularly useful for tasks requiring logical reasoning. 4. Expanded context window. With a 16,000 token context window, FI4 can process longer text inputs such as complex research articles or extensive code files. Unique training techniques. To achieve these results, Microsoft employed innovative training methods. Supervised fine-tuning, teaching the model with labeled examples for specific tasks. Direct preference optimization, aligning the model with user preferences for more accurate outputs. Pivotal token search, identifying and emphasizing the most critical tokens in problem-solving scenarios. Microsoft implemented a refusal mechanism to address hallucination issues, a common problem in AI models where they fabricate information. If FI4 encounters a query it cannot answer confidently, it will respond with "I'm not sure" instead of providing potentially inaccurate information. How FI4 compares to other models. Although FI4 has fewer parameters than some of its other competitors, it punches above its weight in certain niches. Microsoft reports that FI4 performs exceptionally well on tests like the November 2024 American Mathematics Competition and coding tasks such as human eval. Its smaller size also translates to lower computational overhead, making it accessible to organizations without extensive GPU resources. By releasing FI4 under an MIT license, Microsoft has made it easier for developers and researchers to adapt and fine-tune the model without restrictive legal concerns. This move could accelerate innovation and adoption in the AI community. Addressing limitations. Despite its strengths, FI4 is not without flaws. The model occasionally struggles with extremely detailed instructions or rare facts, and like all AI systems, it's susceptible to biases and harmful outputs. Microsoft acknowledges the risks and emphasizes the importance of ongoing testing and safeguards. Broader implications of FI4's open source release. The decision to open source FI4 aligns with Microsoft's broader AI strategy under the CoreAI platform and tools group. This approach aims to democratize access to advanced AI tech and foster collaborative ecosystems. By making FI4 freely available, Microsoft is encouraging innovation while simultaneously positioning itself as a leader in the AI space. The open sourcing of FI4 also supports Microsoft's vision of creating an agentic AI ecosystem, where apps with memory, reasoning capabilities, and contextual understanding become as commonplace as traditional software applications. What's next for Microsoft? Microsoft's reorganization and the release of FI4 signal a bold commitment to shaping the future of AI. By unifying its developer tools and AI infrastructure, the company aims to accelerate innovation and make AI an integral part of everyday applications. Satya Nadella's vision of a One Microsoft approach emphasizes seamless integration across products and services. This strategy not only benefits Microsoft's internal teams, but also empowers external developers to build on robust, unified AI stacks. The release of FI4 is a testament to this vision, a smaller but highly capable model that exemplifies the potential of open source. As Microsoft continues to push the boundaries of AI tech, its efforts could redefine the landscape of software development and pave the way for a new era of agentic applications. Final thoughts. Microsoft's recent move underscores the transformative potential of AI across industries. By combining its developer and AI teams, the company is setting the stage for rapid advancements in AI-powered tools and applications. The release of FI4 as an open-source model further reinforces Microsoft's commitment to innovation and collaboration. As AI becomes increasingly central to tech and society, the impact of Microsoft's strategy will likely extend far beyond its own ecosystem. Whether through agentic applications, advanced language models, or unified AI platforms, the future of AI is being shaped by bold initiatives like these. What are your thoughts on Microsoft's AI strategy? Do you think open sourcing models like FI4 will accelerate innovation or pose new challenges? Let's discuss.